Welcome to today's Excel tip. Today we're going to take a look at pivot charts. Here we have a pivot table showing countries by product filters based on various quarters. Now, to insert a pivot chart, click anywhere in the pivot table, go to the Analyze tab within the pivot table section, and then click on the pivot chart within the Tools section. So pivot charts, and here you can choose many different lots of different types of charts to analyze how your data behaves. Let's choose the common columnar charts. Once I insert the chart, I can move the chart about. So let me just move it next to the pivot table. And the beauty of this is that as you change your pivot chart, the pivot table will also filter and reflect what is happening in the chart. Let's say we filter off the country. So in the chart, I don't want to select all. I want to say just Benin, Egypt, and South Africa. As the pivot chart filters off, it also filters the accompanying underlying pivot table. So that's really neat. Let me move to just the third quarter. So here are the third quarter sales by filtered countries, by sum, and I can also further even filter way down into phrase specific products and see what the values will be. And Egypt only has those 3 products at the same time. Let's go back to all products for all countries and for all quarters. And you can see how quickly you can use a pivot chart to really understand what your data is about visually. Try it out and let me know how the pivot chart goes for you.